Customers after receive diesel brake making machine, see, steel structure. Firstly install this steel structure, and then put this on to install this. Firstly install that. After getting this through this hole and this hole, and then screw the screws. Next step is that. Install screws here. And then install the upper mode by this way. After install, put it here. See, this is a spare screws. Install that.10分钟内能装完吧？
马上就完。
马上就完，还可以。Hello, my friend. How are you? Do you need a brake making machine? If you need a brake making machine, please send us a message. We will reply you with our machine pictures, videos, and price. And then install this steel plate. This way. See? Next step is to install this diesel engine. See that have holes. This part have holes like this here to screw on it. That part also have screws. See? This part also has screws. And the belt is here. Belt by this way.
结束了，这就结束了。
嗯。
然后你一会儿可以再拍个那个位置。
好，重点位置一会儿你给我讲一下。等于下面4个螺丝，固定。
然后把这个上膜让它落进去。
啊，
上膜。
After installation, pull that upper mode. This is upper mode. Pull from 0 to here. After installation, try it.这挡着了，这压到钢板上了。By this way to adjust that screw.
我把这个螺丝，你先看在这里，在这里。
等于对上以后再紧这个螺丝是吧？
它要顶入这个滚轮这个位置，顶入留1个毫米。
Make sure that screw. Make sure that screw touch this, and this side is the same. 这边光线比较好一点啊。
它就是碰触这里，控制这个模具进退的位置。
Make sure that screw touch this part, and then screw it. Okay.
把这里打紧。
And then screw tight that part.
没事，线路没事。对。
By this way, the diesel brake making machine is already finished the installation. Let's see. Important is this part. Let's see the belt. Belt here and there and there. See? That part, this part. 如果它这个皮带松紧怎么调？
松紧就是
挪动柴油机。
If the belt is not tight enough, just install this part. Here you see, put install. Okay, we have finished. We have finished the installation of a diesel brake making machine. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.